Well, here is the high-def pictures of the snow coming down pretty hard off the front porch of the house. I don't know whether you'll be able to see the snow coming down or not, or it's coming down at about, I don't know, maybe an inch an hour at this point. And it's on Monday morning, actually Monday afternoon at 5 to 2. Bye. Well, this is a couple minutes later off the back deck. Can you see the snow coming down? It's coming down pretty hard. I don't know whether it's going to pick it up on the video or not, but we'll see. Hi. Well, there's the new garage as viewed from my back sliding glass door, so you can see the snow build up on the apex of the roof, and maybe you can see the snow coming down as well.